Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and where to find your TikTok watch history, so you can essentially go back and see what you previously watched. Okay, very easy. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on your lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right, the three straight lines. Then click on settings and privacy. Now when we're over here guys, I want you to focus on the second section, which is content and display. I want you to click on activity center. This is where the first option is watch history. When you click on it, you will find all of your watch history and it will be easier for you to go back on videos that you previously watched if you simply scroll down and you miss them. Very important note, a lot of the videos that will appear here will be the videos that are for you page, meaning when you open the app and the first video that pops up, right, like this one over here, I didn't watch this video, I don't know these people, I don't follow them, okay, but this is the video counts as a watch history. So this is also plus for people who sometimes see something that is on the feed, they scroll away and they lost the video, right? This is the watch history where you can find it. And I'm also going to show you how to delete the watch history by simply clicking on the upper right corner, select, and then going on the lower left corner, clicking select all of your watch history. Then you're going on the lower right corner and click delete. And this is how you delete your watch history. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.